Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha MusicCast RX-V6A amplifier, home cinema surround sound receiver, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons that you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this receiver is not connecting to Wi-Fi or not pairing with your Bluetooth devices, or if it's not making sound, not working properly, any kind of troubleshooting needs you have can very often be fixed. You will need to reset everything up because this will be like it just came out of the box, which is the second reason you might want to do this hard reset. And that is if you just want to set it up on a new home cinema system, on a new network, and you just want it to be cleared out and be like it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that very easily. All we're going to do is with it turned on, we're just going to hit the menu button to open the menu and toggle to the settings menu. And then we can use the wheel to navigate, and we're going to navigate from the settings menu to initialization. And once we get to initialization, we can select the network initialization or all. We'll select all, and that will wipe everything. Then it will come up with a screen asking us to execute. We'll hit to confirm the execute the initialization, and everything will be reset to the factory default settings.